Seal Saver, Custom Cylinder Protection. For easy installation, the cylinder on your equipment should be fully extended and thoroughly cleaned before installing the Seal Saver. The Seal Saver comes assembled as it should look when properly installed on your equipment. To begin installation, first loosen the screws at both ends of the Seal Saver with a standard flathead screwdriver to disconnect the metal clamps. Next, separate the Velcro seal by pulling the Velcro apart along the seam. Once the Velcro has been separated, attach the Seal Saver by wrapping the protective boot around the cylinder housing with the cylinder end before or after the return line, depending on the design being installed. Reconnect the Velcro by applying pressure to the seam. The Velcro closure should close facing down in most applications. Now, extend the rod end of the Seal Saver as far as possible and insert one end of the metal clamp into the other. Tighten with a flathead screwdriver until secured. With the cylinder end of the Seal Saver as close to the return line as possible, insert one end of the metal clamp into the other and tighten with a flathead screwdriver until secured. Installation is complete, and your Seal Saver is ready to use. For more information or to contact sales and support, visit us at sealsaver.com.